Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited that you are here. We are gonna do something special today. I'm gonna take you on a little bit of a journey on a professional service that you can get in a salon or a spa that I absolutely adore. So let's go ahead and jump on in and get started. Okay guys, we are gonna jump into this brow tinting video. I am so excited for this. This is something that I've been doing for myself for years. As a professional, the product I'm using in this video is something that I do get with my license, but you can get this service done in salons and spas all over. It is a very common thing that you'll see offered. I know my clients and just the people that I work with a lot, even in hair and makeup, it's something that's kind of commonly brought up and a lot of questions are brought up about it. So I thought it'd be really fun, since I love doing it to myself, that it would be a really fun video to make to kind of shed some light on what it's about, how long it lasts, things like that, because I know I've had a lot of people kind of curious to try it, but maybe think it's not worth it, this and that. So I'm gonna show you brow tinting on myself. You'll be able to see, obviously this is before I'm doing anything. It's probably been about a month since I've tinted my brows. I usually try to do it every month because I feel like by then, you know, the color's faded off for the most part, and I find I'm using a lot more makeup to bring my brows out. So when my brows are freshly done, it makes my makeup a lot quicker when I get to my brows, just because I have such depth to the color of my brows, and it really does make a difference. So I absolutely love this service. I always tell people, try it. It is something that I just find makes a world of difference, and it's so easy and simple and relaxing when you go get it done. So we're gonna jump on in. Again, the products I have, I do get because I'm a professional in the industry, and you can do this anywhere in salons and spas that offer it. It's a very common service. However, they do have a lot of different products out there now that kind of do brow tinting. I haven't really tried them myself. I think it's Maybelline that came out with like a brow tattooing gel where you actually put it, I shouldn't say brow tattooing, like a brow tinting gel that you put on and kind of let dry and peel off. I've seen a little bit of that, and it seems like it gives some good pigment, although I don't know about that product, so I don't know longevity, things like that. I just know what this product that I use does, and in the professional realm of tinting, my experience. So we are gonna jump on in and we're gonna see the service on myself. So let's go ahead and get started. So the product that I am using is Intensive. The tubes look like this. You can see here, I've got multiple colors in the kit that I have. Again, I do offer this to my clientele. For myself, I like my brows dark, even though my hair is light. I've always went dark with my brows. Now, the first thing, obviously, is you want to have nice, clean brows. I don't have any moisturizer on my skin right now because I don't want to have any kind of oily barriers on the hair strands or my skin. I want the pigment from the tints to actually really grab well. So I always make sure my clients, as well as myself when I do it, if I have makeup on, I remove it. I use toners and kind of strip any oils off my skin before I actually go and do the application. So I'm actually gonna mix two colors for myself. I'm gonna mix brown with a tiny, tiny bit of their deep black, just because I want that extra punch of depth to my color, and I get more longevity in it that way. Now, it's total personal preference. I have clients that do all different kinds of colors. I've got blondes, obviously, majority of the time want more of a taupe or a light brown. You can totally customize. There's colored ones you can do. It's pretty cool. You can also use this on your lashes, and that's a whole nother thing, which is also actually really, really awesome too. Okay, so I'm gonna take the developer that it comes with. I'm gonna put equal parts of that into my color, and I'm gonna take my little angle brush and I stir that together, and we are going to start applying. Now for me, I like mine to sit on for a good like 10 minutes, but typically, you know, you don't nearly need that, and different products are different. Now this product says you can leave it on for like 3 minutes and take it off. It doesn't bother me at all leaving it on longer, and I just like to let that color soak even more, so that's just what I do. So now I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna start putting the tint on this brow here. And you're gonna see me just kind of follow the shape of my brow, and you'll start seeing the color take pretty quickly. You'll see how dark it actually gets. It kind of looks crazy. I'm gonna give you a heads up. So I do look quite funny, but it's pretty awesome. All right, let's go. Okay, so you can see how I have this brow done. You can already see how that color is starting to get dark. I obviously go ahead and I put the shape on there that I really love. Sorry, hang on, my husband's calling me. Hello?
Hey honey, how you doing?
Good, I'm filming.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Do you want Jimmy John's?
Nope, I'm good.
No?
Nope, I'm good.
Well, I'd eat with you. You want me to pick you up a turkey thing?
Nope, I'm good. I'll find something here.
Turkey bacon something?
Nope, I'll find something here, thanks.
So,
all right.
I figured, you know.
All right, I'll see you when you get home.
I love you, baby. I miss you. Talk to me.
No, honey, I'm filming. I love you. I'll talk to you later.
All right, love you.
All right, love you, bye. Oh, that man. Now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the second brow. Okay, you guys, so both my brows are done. Now for me, I like my brows to be bold and I like to kind of exaggerate the size of my brows a little bit. I go nice and thick with my shape and really want all those little fine hairs around my brow to get darker. And that gives me a lot fuller looking brow. I actually always growing up, you know, thought, oh my gosh, I don't have any eyebrows. And I remember the first time I tinted my brows, I was so blown away at how nice my brows actually were. When you actually go in and just deepen the color, you don't realize all those fine hairs really make a difference. But I was really, really impressed the first time I did it, and I've been hooked ever since. Okay guys, I'm gonna set my timer for the next 10 minutes and we are gonna let this process and then see the before and the after. Okay guys, we are getting close. We are down to the last 10 seconds. Okay guys, so 10 minutes is up. You can see how my brows have processed. They are super nice and dark. I'm gonna take my color wipes and I'm gonna start wiping this product off and we will see what we got. Okay, so this brow is wiped off. You can see how nice and dark my hairs are and how much more bold my brow is compared to before. But even with the exaggeration of the tint, you can see how nice it wipes off and it's not like you're gonna be left with a crazy looking eyebrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay guys, so brows are done. You can see how much more shaped they are, and with the depth of color, it really makes a huge, huge difference for me when it comes to my routine every day, my makeup. I can use a lot less product in my brows. Now for me, I usually can get a good solid hold on my tint for about, I would say 2.5 weeks, where I find I really have a nice shape still. That last kind of week and a half leading up to 4 weeks, it does start to lighten up, but the color I can still see in my actual hair strands. Now this is gonna be different for everyone based on the oiliness of your skin, what your lifestyle is like, products you use, you know, things like how much you work out. All that stuff can kind of play a factor into how long your tint can actually hold. But for me, I usually can be quite happy for about 4 weeks, and then I definitely can tell when I start having to need more makeup, okay, I need to tint my brows again. They're getting very light. But you can see the result. You can see that they're definitely more bold. They have a nice shape to them. Even how crazy they looked with the tint on, when you go to wipe it off, they just look very soft and natural, and they still blend into my hair really great, even though I used a little bit of black. And again, like I mentioned, salons and spas do this all over. So if it's something you've thought of trying, I say give it a go. If you don't like it, it fades and it's not permanent. So I think it's a really great option for someone who's wanting to do something maybe to enhance their brows, but maybe they don't want to go as extreme as microblading. So this is a really, really awesome thing, and I absolutely love it. So I've had a lot of success with it. I've had a lot of clients that really enjoy it, and it's really an inexpensive thing typically. I would say on average you might spend anywhere from, depending on your region, maybe $20 to $35 for tinting, and that might even include a wax and shaping and everything too. So it just totally depends on where you live and stuff, but it's worth it and I love it. So I'm gonna put my before and after up on the screen right now, and you can see the difference it made just in 10 minutes throwing a tint on. And for a good 4 weeks of enhanced brows for the cost of a service like this. It's so worth it. And if anyone has been curious about it, I hope that this video encourages you to go give it a try if you haven't. It's awesome. I love it. It's comfortable. It's quick and easy. You could even do it on your lunch break. And I hope you guys enjoyed this and this shed some light on this kind of a service, and that maybe you all who've been thinking of trying it decide to give it a go after this. Okay guys, this video is a wrap. I hope that you found this video informative and that you enjoyed an in-depth look at eyebrow tinting. If you guys haven't subscribed, I would love it if you take the time to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. You can go ahead and see the little button that I have on the side of the screen. Also make sure you ring that bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Feel free to leave me any feedback in the comments and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thanks so much for tuning in.